Welcome to pull-ups. I'm going to show you how to build up your strength using a resistance band, and then you can move on to a full pull-up in no time. So this is the first option for you. If you've never done pull-ups before, start here. Grab a bench, pop it nearby so that you can step off the bench and then practice your grip strength. So you want to step up onto the bench and then position your hands on a bar. I'm using an underhand grip here, and then slowly release yourself down and hang for as long as possible until your grip gives out. And you can simply just step back onto the bench or just stand if you're tall like I am. So as you can see, this is all about getting yourself comfortable with the motion of hanging from a bar, improving your grip strength, and also showing your body what's to come when you're using the resistance band. Now, once you're comfortable with this movement, grab a resistance band, tie it over a bar as I have done here. Now, you have two options. You can either step into the resistance band with one or both feet, and the resistance band is going to give you some support. So you want to step into the band and then exhale as you curl yourself up, pulling yourself up to the bar. Try and get that chin just about over the bar. So this is just another side angle with the resistance bands. I've got an underhand grip on the bar. You can also do overhand. And then I'm going to exhale while I pull myself up towards the bar and inhale as I release down. You're controlling the entire movement all the way up and all the way down. Don't just fall down from the bar. Make sure you do the entire movement nice and controlled. Now, this is an example with two resistance bands tied together. The more resistance you have in the bands, obviously, the more help you will get as you do your pull-ups. Now, this is showing you how to stick your knee into the resistance band. So this is another option for you. So what I'm doing here is I'm propping my one knee into the band and I'm folding my feet at the back, inhaling as I extend down and exhaling as I pull my chin towards the bar. Now, lastly, this is the chin up machine at the gym. So if you're using this machine, just make sure you get the handlebars out of the way so that you can have a wide grip on the chin up machine. So you want to step onto the pad with your knees, and you want to inhale on the way down, exhale as you lift yourself all the way to the top. Now try to control the movement so that the plates don't smack together when you reach the top. Again, you're exhaling as you're coming up and inhaling on the way down. Control the movement and really squeeze those shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. So if you don't have a chin-up machine at the gym, use the resistance bands and build up your pull-up strength in that way.